Hi everyone. Today's video is very useful for those who are suffering from various hair problems. Many of you know this plant. It's hibiscus flower plant. The flowers and leaves of hibiscus plant are very beneficial for hair. Hibiscus flowers and leaves prevent hair loss, strengthen follicles, and improve blood circulation to the scalp. Hibiscus flower contains amino acids that increase the production of keratin protein in the hair. It helps in retaining the natural luster of the hair. Hibiscus flowers and leaves are natural conditioners. Applying its hair pack on your scalp and hair will act as a natural conditioner for your hair. It will also help retain moisture in the scalp. It's very easy to make hibiscus leaves hair pack. Blend together 15 to 20 hibiscus leaves and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek to make a hair pack. Use this hair pack once a week. Using this hair pack on hair will result in faster hair growth, reduces hair loss. Hair will be healthy. Oil made from hibiscus leaves is also very beneficial for hair. Let's know how to make oil using hibiscus leaves. Grind hibiscus flowers and leaves together. Now boil this mixture with coconut oil. Using this oil will cure all your hair problems. You will get thick black hair. Oils and hair packs made from hibiscus leaves are very popular now for hair care. If you are suffering from hair problems, you can make hair pack and oil from hibiscus leaves and use it on your hair.